The Nikon Z8 redefined the professional hybrid camera. It packed the Z9's power into a manageable body, achieving a perfect balance of speed, resolution, and durability. But in the world of mirrorless cameras, waiting is dangerous. And that is why the rumors surrounding the Nikon Z8 II are not just exciting, they are revolutionary. Nikon isn't just planning an incremental update. They are rumored to be engineering a direct counterpunch to every rival, a camera that addresses every single minor complaint about the Z8 while introducing features that could make professional photographers and videographers drop their current gear and switch to Z-mount immediately. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is a deep dive into the leaks, the analyst predictions, and the features that, if they land, will not just change Nikon, but change the entire industry. If you value speed, unrivaled autofocus, and cinematic video quality, then buckle up. Because the Nikon Z8 II is shaping up to be the most compelling professional camera of the next 2 years. The sensor and speed, global shutter for the masses. The Z8 already uses the phenomenal 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor. The Z8 II is rumored to keep this same resolution but with a massive technological leap, hybrid global shutter technology. A true global shutter eliminates rolling shutter entirely, giving you perfect, distortion-free images even when tracking a helicopter rotor or a fast golf swing. This technology, currently reserved for a few specialized and much more expensive cameras, is rumored to be partially integrated into the Z8 II sensor architecture. The result: distortion-free action at all frame rates. Coupled with the rumored EXPEED processor, a new generation following the EXPEED, the speed is predicted to be insane. We're talking about achieving a massive 40 frames per second, FPS, burst shooting in full resolution RAW. This isn't just fast. This is the difference between capturing a once-in-a-lifetime moment and missing it entirely. For sports, wildlife, and event photographers, this speed is non-negotiable. The autofocus, AI that predicts the future. Nikon's subject detection is already fantastic, but the Z8 II is rumored to usher in a new era of AI-powered tracking. The EXPEED processor will enable a vastly improved deep learning AF system that not only recognizes subjects but predicts their movement trajectory with greater accuracy. The leaks hint at expanded subject categories, possibly including niche applications like specific types of aircraft, or even subtle human elements like a subject's intention to move. This means the 3D tracking system will be virtually unbreakable, maintaining sharp focus even when the subject is momentarily obscured or turning away. But the most requested ergonomic update is also rumored, a fully articulating, vari-angle touchscreen LCD. No more being limited to 2-axis tilting. This is a massive win for videographers, low-angle shooters, and solo content creators, offering full viewing freedom without compromising the Z8's durable, pro-level build. The video, 8K and the red-inspired revolution. The Z8 was a video powerhouse, but the Z8 II is rumored to deliver the professional video specs that will truly challenge Canon and Sony. The big headline, 8K video at 60 frames per second, FPS. While the Z8 recorded 8K/30p, pushing to 60 frames per second is a gargantuan leap in processing power, giving filmmakers the ability to capture ultra-high resolution, cinematic slow motion. Furthermore, leaks suggest expanded internal RAW recording